So we're with Christian. This is his 2007?
2009.
2009
Close.
Road Glide. So what have you done to your bike, Christian?
So it's pretty much stock. I mean, as you can tell.
Yeah, she looks very stock.
It's still a 96. Basically just high compression, ported and polished heads, injectors. It's got 585 cams in it. 21-inch front rim, matching 19-inch rear with a 200 tire kit on it. Yeah, it's basically all tins, everything. It's got Screaming Eagle gauges in it, Amazon bezels for it.
Only the best.
Yeah, and then it's got SNS 2-2. I think they're 2-inch primary headers, and then just a set of Amazon end cans.
Cool. I'm trying to fire it up.
See if it will.
I like it as you try.